Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a new topic: consignment, consignor, and consignee. Business organizations often adopt various strategies to expand their operations. One common approach is engaging selling agents through a consignment agreement. A consignment is a special type of transaction in which one entity, the consignor, sends goods to another entity, the consignee, to sell those goods on its behalf for a predetermined commission. Typically, the two parties are located in different towns or cities. व्यावसायिक संस्थाएं अपने संचालन का विस्तार करने के लिए अक्सर विभिन्न रणनीतियां अपनाती हैं। ऐसी ही एक सामान्य रणनीति है विक्रय एजेंटों को नियोजित करना, जिसे कंसाइनमेंट अग्रीमेंट कहा जाता है। कंसाइनमेंट एक विशेष प्रकार का लेन-देन है, जिसमें एक संस्था, कंसाइनर, अपने माल को दूसरी संस्था, कंसाइनी, को इस उद्देश्य से भेजती है कि वो माल को उसकी ओर से बेच दे और बदले में पूर्व निर्धारित कमीशन प्राप्त करे। ये दोनों पक्ष अलग-अलग शहरों या स्थानों पर स्थित होते हैं। In a consignment business, there are three parties involved: consignor, consignee, and buyer. The consignor sends goods to the consignee, who sells them to buyers on behalf of the consignor. It represents a type of agency relationship, where the consignor acts as the principal and the consignee serves as the agent. Revenue from the consignment transaction is recognized by the consignor when the consignee sells the goods. The consignor is the party that sends goods to its agent for the purpose of selling them. The consignor may be a manufacturer or a wholesaler. In a consignment arrangement, the consignor acts as the principal in the principal-agent relationship. Ownership of the goods remains with the consignor until the goods are actually sold by the consignee. Consignor वह पक्ष होता है जो अपने माल को बिक्री के उद्देश्य से अपने एजेंट को भेजता है। कंसाइनर एक निर्माता या होलसेलर हो सकता है। कंसाइनमेंट व्यवस्था में कंसाइनर प्रिंसिपल की भूमिका निभाता है, जबकि एजेंट कंसाइनी होता है। The consignee is the party to whom goods are sent by the consignor on a consignment basis. The consignee sells these goods on behalf of the consignor and functions as the agent in the consignment relationship. It is important to note that the consignee does not own the goods received on consignment. Rather, they are entitled to receive a commission from the consignor as compensation for their services. Let's discuss one example. Messrs. XYZ Textiles Private Limited produces high-quality cotton garments and aims to expand its sales across different states in India. To achieve this, XYZ Textiles enters into consignment agreements with several retail partners in major cities. The company sends batches of garments to these partners, who act as consignees and sell the goods on behalf of XYZ Textiles. For every sale made, the retail partners receive a pre-agreed commission, either fixed or based on the sales volume. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.